Hi everyone, I hope you're all really well. In today's video I am sharing with you the ultimate snack prep. So this is all the sorts of things that I prepare on a Sunday for my kids for the week and for me. A lot of it is very cost effective, super budget friendly and really easy and will honestly save you so much time in the week. So sit back and enjoy. So starting out with some of the fruits and vegetables that I prepare, I've got these little pots that I reuse. These were off Amazon and they were a pack of 50 and they were £4.46. I find them really good size for the kids, just enough of a little snack in their packed lunches and for after school. And in them I put in things like cherry tomatoes, and then I also use tinned pineapple. So a big tin of pineapple is 80p. And you can get loads of little portions of chopped up pineapple for that. I just buy the pineapple rings. Another fruit that I always like to prep, because it's one of them things that if I don't pre-cut them and portion them out, they can very easily get left in the fridge and not eaten. So I like to do little pots of grapes for the boys as well. And these are just the perfect size little pot just for them to grab when they are after a snack, after school or anything, then they can just go and help themselves. And carrots, again, is another one that if they are not chopped and prepped, then I can quite easily end up forgetting about them. And if they're done, then I can just get the kids to help themselves, like I say, and I cut them out with these fun little cutters just to make them a little bit more fun. So little boxes like this I just prep on a Sunday and then keep them in the fridge, and they are there for the week. They always seem to keep really well, and I'll just pop them in lunch boxes. It saves me so much time, and they are there for the kids to grab when they're after a snack, and it's just a little bit better than going for a bag of crisps or biscuits. Another thing that I like to buy the boys, mainly when they're on offer, to be honest. I don't buy them when they're full price. I think they're really expensive. But I do get these when they're about four for £1.50, I think. These are great. Obviously, it is another one of their fruit and veg portions for the day. And also these super cheap, I think they're about 3 for 40p apple juices. These are great for the lunch boxes again. And it also says that they are one of their 5 a day. So I just want to talk a little bit about these products. I was very kindly gifted. These are from Mia and Ben. These are 100% organic fruit and vegetable pouches. There is nothing in them but fruit and veg. And when they first contacted me and offered to send me some, I did think, I don't know if they're going to be any use to me because they are what I would have normally considered to be baby food. But how wrong I was. These little pouches are so versatile. I use them as ice lollies for the kids to have a really healthy little snack. I also put them on porridge, put them on yogurt. They last out of the fridge for a good 6 hours. They are 100% fresh and they are just the perfect little snack. And the packaging that they came in, because they are completely fresh, they came so well packed. They had ice packs, they had this Hessian mat over them. They were just freezing cold still when they got here, so I just popped them straight in the fridge. And they come in 3 flavours, so you have sweet potato, pear, butternut squash and beetroot, banana, mango and pineapple, and apple and blueberry. So I would definitely check out this brand and have a little look if you're looking for a nice little snack or breakfast topper. This next little snack is a great little hack for time saving. I just buy the big boxes of breadsticks, the mini ones, and I fill those really versatile little pots again with some cream cheese, and it is a bit like a little Dairy Dunker for the kids, and that is a great one if I have not got much time to prep the packed lunches. These yogurt tubes are always on my weekly shop. I always get them when they're on offer, so I'll get a few boxes of them when they're about £1 for 9, I think. A great little tip for these is to put them in the freezer, and then if you put them in your child's lunchbox, by the time it gets to sort of lunchtime they should be defrosted, and they make a great little ice pack as well just to keep everything cold. And again, using these pots, I am just prepping some jelly. This is so much cheaper than buying the pre-done jelly pots. Block of jelly costs 55p, and I got all these little pots of jelly from just one of those blocks, so it absolutely saves a fortune instead of buying the individual jelly ones. Next up, this is a really inexpensive little snack. So I get these Swiss rolls from Tesco. These are Miss Molly's and they are 89p, and I get about 15 portions out of one of them, and they last for ages. So I just cut them all up. I put them in these bags, which we do reuse. I know it's a lot of plastic, but that works out at 6p per portion. So all these plastic bags that I'm putting things in, I do make sure that the kids keep and they put back so that I can reuse them again. And I put things like pretzels. So a bag of pretzels is £1. So you're getting about 5 portions out of that. So about 20p per portion. I also buy the little Ritz. Well, they're not actually Ritz, they're the cheaper ones called Snackers, and I portion them out. It is so much more cost effective to buy the big bags of crisps and things like that and portion them out. I also buy the bags of cheese savouries, I think they're called, and you get loads and loads in a bag of those for about 85p, and that makes loads of portions. So this is just a box for all the kids' sort of savoury snacks. I get some of these Tesco cheese curls a lot as well because they're a really good price. I also buy big bags of popcorn and portion them out as well because, again, it just works out a lot cheaper. Another item that I have mentioned before are these flapjacks that I get from Home Bargains. They are huge. They're about 30p each. I bought a big case of them. I did mention them in one of my Home Bargains hauls, but because of the size, they are way too big really for the kids to have on their own. So I portion them up either in half or into 3. So obviously if you're portioning them into 3, then it will cost just 10p per portion, which is super cheap and a great little snack. I also always pick up some of the really cheap biscuits, whichever supermarket I go to. So you can get big packs of cookies for 39p, and I always put them in bags of 2 because I think that's just a good portion for the kids. So 2 cookies is 3.5p per portion, and also the digestives, which are 31p per pack, which works out at 2p per portion, so obviously a penny each. And then I just pick up other little bits when they are on offer, just the granola bars and things like those little yogurt covered fruit. And that is everything. That is me prepped for the week. I have got loads of snacks that should last us a good little while, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, then hit the subscribe button as well, and I will see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.